Hello, welcome. Let's look at this JAMB English 2019 past question number 51. This is oral English. For this question, choose the option that has the same vowel sound as the one represented by the letter or letters underlined. And the word we are looking at is bore, B-O-R-E. The options are A, call, B, call, C, slot, D, ham. So in order for us to appreciate this question very well, we need to know the oral transcription of the various words so that we can locate the ones that are similar. So first of all, let's look at the word that is given, which is bore. So we have B-O-R-E, bore. So this can be transcribed as burr. So that is the oral transcription. Now the second one is call, and it can be transcribed as call. The third one is call, like curly hair, and it can be transcribed as car. The fourth one is slot, and the last one is ham. So it's very clear that from these transcriptions that we have all, or. So you can see that A is the answer. It's very clear. So those are the two that have similar vowel sounds. So that makes A the answer. Please, if you like this, hit the subscribe button below. Give us thumbs up, like and share our videos so that your friends can see them. Thank you and God bless you.